In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your HostGator email to Outlook. Now, if you're ready to seamlessly manage your emails through Outlook, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps to get your HostGator email up and running within Outlook. First things first, you're going to want to open your Outlook application. Simply launch the program on your device, and we'll be all set to dive into the setup. With Outlook open, look towards the upper left corner of your screen and click on the File tab. This is your gateway to adding a new email account. Now that we're in the right place, you'll need to select Add Account. This is where the magic begins as we start integrating your HostGator email with Outlook. At this point, you'll see a prompt asking you to enter your email address. Here, it's essential to input your full HostGator email address, which should look something like you@yourdomain.com. Once you've entered this information, take a moment to make sure it's correct. Then, click Connect. The next step involves selecting your account type. This part is crucial because it determines how your emails will be handled between Outlook and HostGator servers. You'll have two options, IMAP or POP. IMAP is generally recommended because it allows you to sync your emails across multiple devices, providing flexibility if you access your emails on more than one device. On the other hand, if you opt for POP, your emails will be downloaded to your device and they'll be removed from the server, which can be useful if you prefer to keep things local. After deciding on the account type that best suits your needs, you'll be prompted to enter the password for your HostGator email account. Be sure to input the correct password associated with that email address to continue. Double-checking this information is always a good idea before moving forward. Once you have the password entered correctly, click Connect. You're nearly there. With the primary setup out of the way, it's time to complete the process. Simply click Next and follow any additional prompts that may appear. These prompts are typically straightforward, guiding you through any final steps needed to finalize the connection between Outlook and your HostGator email account. Once you've worked through these prompts, you should see an option to click Done. This indicates that the setup process is complete. And there you have it. Your HostGator email is now connected to Outlook, ready for you to manage your communications smoothly and efficiently from one central location. Thank you for following along and enjoy your streamlined email experience.